Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing our pollen filter on this Peugeot 3008. This particular model is 2010 model. So this is our pollen filter here. So the location is under the steering column on the driver's side. This is a right-hand drive car. So what we do is we open this compartment here, okay, and then this cover here we need to remove, okay. So once that's removed, we're gonna release this clip here so that the compartment lid can go down a bit so that we can have more space. Next procedure is to remove this trim here. So what we do is we slide it up and then pull it out. There we go. That's that trim pulls out like this. Okay, so that's that part out of the way. So now what we need to do is remove this lid here. See, we need to put pressure here and then pull the lid out. That's where the location for the pollen filter is. There we go. There we go, that's the main cover, okay, out of the way. So now that's where the pollen filter is, just here. So what we do is I'm gonna stick my hand in and pull it out like this. So this pollen filter is a two-piece pollen filter. So this is the top one comes out, okay, so that's the top one out of the way. So just gonna make sure that the airflow is right way around. Okay, so the arrow is pointing forward, just here. Okay, so that's one, and then I'm gonna pull the other one out. You can see the strip there. Okay, so we just pull that strip. So it's a strip like this which we pull out. So that's what I'm gonna do now. There we go. So we're gonna pull the strip towards us, and that should free the pollen filter. It's a very tricky place to have a pollen filter. There we go, that's the second part of the pollen filter comes out. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that the arrows are right way around. Okay, there we go. That's the second one. The condition looks really bad on these. So these are our new filters. Okay. Alright, so just gonna slide it in. There we go. That's one of the filter in place. So just gonna place the other one. So I'm placing the filter with arrows facing the passengers. Okay, there you go. So that goes here. There you go, friends. That's the pollen filter all the way in. Okay, just that. So now we're gonna place the cover, which is this cover here. That goes in like this. Just like that. There you go. That's the cover in place. Just gonna make sure that it's nicely pushed in. There we go. That's that done. Right, just gonna fit this trim part now. Just like that. Right, so just gonna fit this part in now. Okay, there we go, friends. So that's that fitted nicely. Okay, now we're gonna place this cover back in. So it goes in like this, like that, and the final bit is just to close this bit. There we go, friends. That's the pollen filter fitted in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.